In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a use case diagram using draw.io, and we'll do it in just 5 minutes. This is a great way to visualize the interactions between users and a system, and it's a vital tool for anyone involved in system design, analysis, or software development. So let's jump right in and create a clear and effective diagram. First, let's start by opening draw.io, which can be accessed by navigating to their website. Once you're there, you'll be met with a clean interface that allows you to work on various types of diagrams. Now, before we begin drawing, we need to get the right tools at our disposal. To do this, click on More Shapes in the left panel. This step is essential as it helps us access a library tailored for our task today. Next, you'll want to ensure the UML shape library is enabled. UML, or Unified Modeling Language, provides the symbols necessary for drawing use case diagrams. You might need to scroll a bit, but once you find UML, go ahead and check the box next to it. With that done, simply click Apply to save this configuration. This will make the diagramming process more straightforward as you'll have all the necessary components ready to use. Now let's get to the fun part. Creating your use case diagram. To begin, identify the actors and use cases. Actors are the entities, usually users or other systems, that interact with the system. Use cases, on the other hand, are the operations or functions that the system performs. It's crucial to be clear about these elements as they form the foundation of your diagram. Once you've identified them, proceed to draw the actual diagram. Start by drawing a rectangular box that will define the system boundary. This box represents the scope of your system and distinguishes what is within and outside it. This step is key because a clear boundary helps prevent scope creep and makes the diagram easier to understand. With your system boundary in place, position your actors. They should be placed outside the system boundary since they interact with the system from the outside. Next, go ahead and place your use cases inside the boundary. This strategic placement indicates that these are the activities carried out within the system space. Finally, we need to make the connections clear. Draw lines connecting the actors to the use cases they interact with. This is the part where you show the interactions and dependencies, making your diagram a useful communication and development tool. Every line you draw should clearly demonstrate how an actor is involved with a particular use case, which contributes significantly to the overall comprehension of the diagram. And there you have it. You now have a complete use case diagram, an invaluable resource in visualizing how different users or systems interact with your software. Feel free to review and make adjustments to ensure that your depiction is as accurate as possible. Happy diagramming!